Kracken besides these tubes. I'm really loving channel 2 on this amp. Noisy room. Ton of gain on this pup. There's the noise from my guitar rolling up here. I gotta quit playing here because I'm so in love with this amp. Unbelievably in love with this amp. I love the clarity and the amount of juice it's got on tap. This is mid-gain here. This particular guitar has a lot of treble out of the bridge humbucker, and it's a little microphonic, but man, it's live.